Presented by Centre for Ear, Nose, Throat, Allergy and Snoring. www.entdoctor.com.sg. Contact +65 6586 0988. WhatsApp 6598377186. In the hush of night, rest should be its deepest, but unseen battles unfold. A struggle for every breath, a quest for uninterrupted sleep. The spectral adversaries, snoring and sleep apnea, they're much more than mere disturbances. They're thieves, stealing away sleep quality and well-being. Their weapon, narrowing airways with culprits ranging from our own anatomy to allergies that swell and obstruct. But despair not, for treatments act as keys, unlocking the chains of sleep apnea. From CPAP devices to managing allergies and lifestyle alterations. At times, the first step is a sleep study, a map to navigate our nightly journey. Consulting an ENT specialist can shine light on paths forward, offering evaluations and solutions tailored specifically for these nocturnal battles. With silence as an ally and breath flowing freely, the night reclaims its rightful place as a sanctuary of rest. Presented by Centre for Ear, Nose, Throat, Allergy and Snoring. www.entdoctor.com.sg. Contact +65 6586 0988. WhatsApp 6598377186.